Okay, so we're gonna be looking at the chart for Bitcoin, and of course it's your boy HK. If you haven't done so, make sure you go like, share, and subscribe. Hope you guys been enjoying my travel vlogs. Sure as I put a lot of effort into making those, so hope you guys can watch that and see how somebody who lost a lot of money in crypto likes to do in their spare time. Let's jump into the chart straight away. Okay. Looking at the charts, Bitcoin is doing something very, very funny right now. What even is happening? Seriously, like it is such a weird time to be alive right now. It is beating its previous all-time highs, but it's sort of doing it in like very, very, very like tiny increments, and that doesn't really signal a bull market for me. A bull market, like I'll show you what a bull market used to look like, right? This is what it looked like. If we're gonna look at the daily, let's go 3 daily charts. Hopefully, we'll be able to see a much better graph. Like you see this and goes bang, 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 bang. It goes up really high. So I don't think we're in a bull market. And to be in a bull market, there's plenty of opportunities to catch the bull. So it's not like you missed the train or anything like that. So we are looking at. I mean, if we look at some micro time frames right now, overall, if we look at the daily charts, right, we're actually at a very, very crucial level for RSI. No, not daily. I'll make them out. I lie. Not 3 days either. Weekly chart, I believe, is what we're supposed to be looking at. All right, that's it. So we're in a crucial zone because over the past, I mean, really since 2000, end of 2000, beginning of 2021, the RSI has actually been kept under this line of resistance. That's the line that we're looking at right now. And so we are a very crucial zone. Now, what kind of zone are we in? We're in a zone where it's making this triangular rising wedge pattern that we're looking at right now. And so if we look at the 4-hour chart, that's kind of become quite obvious. Now, we did think momentarily, okay, I'll get to the boxes in a minute, and I'll get to this dash of white line, yellow line that I've drawn in there. We are looking at this price zone here, which we thought this really baffled a lot of people. Like I'm in a lot of like chat groups and things like that. This little fake out really did baffle a lot of people. They thought that, hey, this is just broken down below the channel. It will then crack below and go up, test that bottom support, and then bang, smash downwards. That's what we thought were going to happen. Okay, but it didn't. It then went up to test the top resistance, and it's beaten the previous all-time highs, but that's sort of where we are at the moment. And it's forming this triangular wedge, and I think it will then crash. That's my viewpoint. And it'll crash to the nearest term, which is this box of support. There's a lot of buying and selling and trading activity going on right there. So that being the case, we need to make sure that we keep an eye on the charts. I really think, all right, it's broken below this level here. Okay, similar things can happen here again, of course. But I think a short position is right in this situation. So here we see the price action already rising up again. I think on the correction, we place a short and then bang, it'll go down to this level. So that's what we are expecting. So the classic pattern is that you've got price action that does this. There is a rising wedge like so. It breaks below, and then it will go up to test again, and then it'll fall. It'll very randomly, very seldom just fall straight away. It does do that, but it looks like it's gonna go down in some corrections, and that's what we're seeing right now. What is another reason that made me think that, according to sound trading strategies? Well, first and foremost, we are looking at a very, very bearish engulfing pattern here right now. So that's another sign that says that we're going to go downwards in price, which is cool. So that also corroborates our wish to get into a short position, which is fine. If you like short positions, make sure you go like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't done so, make sure you go smash that right now. All right, cool. That being out of the way, if you haven't done so, go check out BitGet, because if you're not trading sideways these days, well, you're not making any money. And if you haven't done so, go check out my video where I talk about some automatic trades. So you don't have to make these decisions on your own, but you just have to make a decision on one good trader, and then you can just watch the money getting made. So we are looking at that correction happening as we speak. And I would also say this is not a bad zone to be trying yet another short position. Because if you use the Fibonacci retracements, and we look at the Fibonacci retracement from the previous sort of dump that we've seen, we're actually at the 0.5 region here right now. Okay, very good regions, or in between 0.5 and 618 region. Very, very good regions to actually get into the prevailing trend, which right now obviously is a long-term short trend, which is what we're in right now. If you look further into the depth of the chart, okay, this is just regular analysis that you're doing. I mean, even if you're not watching this video like right now when I'm making the video, you can still use it as quite a lot of guidance and wisdom, because we're just applying some very, very simple simple trends and analysis that we're similarly applying. So if we look at this, right, look at the peaks that have been forming on the 1 hourly chart. Bang, 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 rising, higher highs. But what happens to the RSIs? Well, the RSI is dropping as the higher highs form. What does that mean? Well, it means that we're on what's called a bearish divergence. That's what we're looking at right now. So a short position is yet again the right direction to take. Now, can we be wrong in doing this? Absolutely, we can be wrong in doing this. But it's not about getting it right all the time, but making the right trading decisions based on the price action you see. So what do I sense right now? Well, looking at the patterns, I think it makes technical sense to be entering into a short trade. Now, having said that, there could be some prevailing news or fundamentals that could come in where we're just like, we're stuffed, something terrible happened. And I think that's what happened with this fake out that y'all are seeing right now, which is this fake out that I started off this video with. So consider these things when you're making trading decisions. I will be making another video and a coverage on the on BitGet's copy trading. I know a lot of you guys like that, but there has been a new update on the platform and the website. So I am dying to fill you guys in some of those updates. Make sure you guys stay tuned. If you haven't done so, like I said, make sure you go like, share, and subscribe, and ring that notification bell so that you can stay updated with the latest and the fanciest. And that is it from me, guys. Come on, go watch some more videos, get smarter, or be entertained with some of the dumb things I do traveling around the world. Much love to you guys. Peace.